oil, and hay storage area.
Oh no! Our supply depot is on fire!
Call 911 now. Hurry!
Don't worry, the water train is here. Let's hook up these straight hose and get the water ready.
All right, buddy, let's put out the fire.
Okay. Oh no, the water cannot reach the fire on top.
Then switch to the elbow hose. Hurry!
These should work. Let's attach them.
The hay area is clear. Let's move to the oil area, buddy.
Hell yeah!
How to build the water pump rescue train. 1. Build the locomotive. Place the battery box onto the train base. The front cab, the rear wall, the side wall, the seat, the roof. The locomotive is done. Function testing. 2. Build the water tank car. It has for pipe posts to secure the water tubes. Now I need the splitter to divide the water into 4 outlet pipes. Place them inside the car. Feed the tubes onto the pipe posts. Then add the side walls and the roof. Connect the locomotive to the car. Now I'll use 2 bottles as the water tanks. Cooling liquid. Suppression liquid. The train car will hold these both tanks on top. Now finish the train. Testing with 3 nozzles. Wait, 1 straight nozzle. Wait, 2 long nozzle. Wait, 3 L-shaped nozzle.
Oh yeah! Oh yeah! 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 Oh yeah!
Huh? Huh?